This TOPRAMETAL Harley Softail Forward Control Kit relocates your controls into a true forward position, giving taller riders a more relaxed and natural leg stretch on long rides. The redesigned brake and shift layout lets you apply the rear brake straight on instead of twisting your ankle, which feels safer and more intuitive in stop-and-go traffic. Riders will notice stronger braking response and smoother gear changes, making low-speed maneuvers and slow corners feel more controlled and predictable. Sturdy construction and solid mounting hardware help cut down on vibration through the footboards so your feet and knees stay fresher after hours in the saddle. The black finish and integrated floorboard style look factory correct on modern Softail models, adding a custom appearance without clashing with the bike's lines. With all necessary hardware and clear installation guidance included, most home mechanics can bolt this kit on in an afternoon without hunting for extra parts.